Hello and welcome to AnjalisBakeAffair. Today's recipe is a classic spiced carrot cake. This is a blend of warm winter spices and freshly grated carrots combined with the creaminess of the simplest of cream cheese frosting. I'm sure you're going to love this cake when you make it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. To make the spiced carrot cake, we need flour, cinnamon powder, ground cloves, ground ginger, ground nutmeg. Yes, all these wonderful winter spices are going into our cake. Baking soda, some refined vegetable oil, eggs, brown sugar or white sugar if you please, milk, grated fresh carrots, and walnuts or pecans or both, or whichever you prefer. So let us begin by taking a big bowl. Now we will sift the flour and the baking soda into this. Once this is done, time to add our spices. So in goes the clove powder, the ground nutmeg, the ginger powder, and finally our cinnamon. Combine them nicely. And now it's time to add the nuts. I'm using walnuts. Stir and combine everything nicely once again. And now make a well-like thing in the center in which we'll pour in the oil, break in the eggs, add the sugar, and then mix it all up very nicely till it's all uniform and the batter looks nice and smooth. Finally, it's time to put in that grated carrot. How fresh, vibrant red it looks. And finally, in goes the milk. I've not added any vanilla or any other essence or extract to this batter because I want the flavor of those wonderful winter spices to shine through this cake. Mix it all well to get this beautiful batter. So now the batter for our spiced carrot cake is ready, and I'm going to pour this into a greased loaf tin. You can bake it in any kind of baking tin you want. I am using a 7-inch loaf tin here, which I have greased and also lined. Now in goes the batter. Just garnish with some walnuts. This is optional, of course. And it goes to bake at 170 degrees C for about 35 to 45 minutes. So while our cake bakes, I'm going to quickly make my quick version of cream cheese frosting because I'm in the mood to have this cake with cream cheese frosting today. You can totally have it without any frosting. It tastes equally good, believe me. So what we need for this quick version of this frosting today is just some cream cheese, some sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. Just beat the cream cheese, add the vanilla, add in the sugar, beat it again very well, and you have your cream cheese frosting ready. You can find the recipe for this cream cheese frosting on one of my YouTube videos on my channel and also in an article on my website. You can go and check it out there. Now our carrot cake is baked and cooled. Let's get it out and frost it. So here is the cake looking lovely and perfectly baked. Out it comes. And here I'm removing the grease-proof paper. See how easy it is to get your cakes out when you've lined and greased your cake tins nicely. So here is my cream cheese frosting. Dollops of it on the cake. Just a rustic rough spread. And now for some more decoration. So I'm going to decorate it with some walnut pieces, some glazed cherries, and a few raisins. To give it that final touch, here is a generous sprinkling of cinnamon powder. All of this is totally optional, let me tell you that. Here's our cake ready to dig in. Let's slice it and see how it looks. I'm sure you like it. Do go ahead and make this cake. Let me know how it turned out. Post a picture of this on Instagram and don't forget to tag us at AnjalisBakeAffair. So till next time, bye bye and enjoy.